A key day in Eric Knysz's trial, the man accused of killing State Police Trooper Paul Butterfield. The one person who allegedly saw the killing, Knysz's own wife, took the stand for the prosecution. 24-hour News 8's Leon Hendricks is at the Mason County Courthouse with what she said today. Leon?
She was an important witness, one of the last people to testify for the prosecution, but a very key witness, the only one who prosecutors say was there from the shooting to the violent takedown. The prosecution calls her an eyewitness, the media a star witness, and accused trooper killer Eric Knysz calls her his wife. Today, she appeared shackled to testify for the prosecution in her husband's murder trial. A quick point of the finger identifying him for the court. Then, as she talked about that day in September, the emotion and tears.
He turned around and hit his lights, and he came up to the window.
What happened next?
He started to ask how it was going, and my husband shot him.
Jurors also heard a second taped confession from Eric Knysz, a recorded interview with police, and for the public, the first time we've seen obvious remorse from the suspect, with these words aimed at Trooper Butterfield's family.
If I could do anything to change it, I would have. If I could have him shoot me instead, I would.
The prosecution also read a letter purportedly written by Eric Knysz and sent to Sarah's attorney in an apparent effort to alleviate her from any culpability. Sarah says, though, he never actually threatened her with a gun.
My wife attempted to exit the vehicle to help the trooper, but I told her if she got out of the vehicle, I would kill her, as I held up my .357 Colt pistol to her. So she obeyed due to the fear of her life.
Today, Eric's father also testified, confirming in court that he owned the alleged murder weapon and Eric had no permission to use it or sell it. Outside of the jury's presence, Eric put on the record his decision not to allow his attorney to question his father or his wife, speaking directly to her before she left the courtroom.
Also, I wanted to say that I love you and I'm sorry for putting you and Jaden through this.
And the judge ended court today saying that the trial is coming to an end. Sarah returned back to prison to serve the rest of her at least 2 years that she's serving in prison for her role in this. Sue.
Okay, Leon, what is the defense's plan at this point, Leon?
Well, Sue, that's been a mystery at this point. We don't know if they even plan on putting on a defense. The judge seemed to have an idea that the trial could end tomorrow. So that doesn't leave a whole lot of time for a defense because the prosecution still has a couple more witnesses. So we'll have to wait and see. And also yet to be seen is whether or not Eric Knysz will take the stand in his own defense. Of course, they don't have to put on a defense. The burden of proof is on the prosecution here. Back to you.
All right, Leon Hendricks reporting live. Thanks, Leon.